Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna keep going. And then goat milk. That's Daisy right here. They're gonna take the money. Like to keep wood, anybody? Like to keep wood, anybody? It's Daisy. One question is, who is Clover? Clover. Who is that? What's the bunny here? Yeah, actually, bunny here. Clover. Have space. Masih ini baik pertama ya. This one stuff, but yeah. Daisy. No pieces of bamboo. Wait, any piece of bamboo. Doesn't work. Got this one here. It may not work, but I'm not having time making this. Fine, and this ad you just cut it fall. Cool. Yeah, bitch, cause look at that, man. There's a trash one here. There's a mountain goats or not, but it's they are. Up here. I'm gonna go and back. Over enter. Look at that. Look at what's before you get to enter. This is kind of crazy looking, man. Whoa. Dude, this is absurd. Look at this, man. This is basically a bamboo forest. It's in the middle of Australia. Look at that. Look at this, man. Absurd. The big and sturdy one. So, we got on good choices here. I mean, you can see good choices going for a mile. Here, but I did our most tallest one. I can just cut it down. She just. That right there. Not for big. Crazy, okay? This is the most absurd thing ever done, man. Dude, look at this, man. This is what you have been forest and basically form. It's absurd. I'm close to set now. Okay, we'll go call these and get to go back when all things are cut. Okay, made it through. And these things are so tall, man. There's a lot more I can get through. And it's our cutting guns again. I'm back. bamboo stick I'm going to cut down. I'm gonna cut down this one right here. That one there. Oh yeah, and I cut it right down here too. There, so I gotta cut it all from the bottom right to the top. Oh man. But I think it says like somewhere right over there. I might go back because I made that open some stuff. Okay, guess we'll see. We ought to get to anyway, since like somewhere like, in this giant bamboo forest. I think to way over there, but I just don't know. Let's see. Gonna yell it. Tim. Burr. Timber. Oh man. That's right. Okay. I still gotta cut some more, but I'm gonna cut this one maybe like last, like on it, then cut that boy. Cause this bad boy, he pretty big. He pretty big. And way tall. I think he's the most tallest one here. It's gonna cut the most tallest one here, so I got it all. Now time to say. And say timber. Say plastic line. Timber. Timber. Okay. That's okay. These boys are gonna. This guy isn't. He's just like one stick going away. Please. I'm gonna cut you. We're gonna move on to you. I think. Okay, I'm gonna cut this guy. So if you got something, cut on that. That big thing. And the caliber. Wait to it. I got ads till we get a pretty strong thing. And that's a chainsaw. Yeah. Think about saw. It should be saw. Not a chainsaw, it's a saw. Yeah, I get the idea. There's somewhere there's a saw, and I'm gonna really use it to cut down that thing. Oh, I'm a no idiot. So I don't get. Look up. It'll be fine. Talk about myself and yeah, I gotta find it. Because I don't know where it is. Guy up and dropped it somewhere. I should say. And dropped it somewhere, so now I gotta find it. Okay, I'm back with the Hagason. I'm home, but now I have a chainsaw in my hand. This is a saw. Now we're gonna cut down. We're gonna do a step with this saw and get it out of there. And then cut it down like halfway. I mean, not half home. Now I can't tell if I made it all home with me for obvious reasons. It's way too tall for that, but I must want to cut too. We thought to be as tall as I am. Total. So, after. Okay. It's somewhere over there. Not gonna test this thing. I'm testing on this baby right here. Back if it works. Worked. So now we go. Tim. Timber. Didn't go right to the guy. Okay, so now go back. It works pretty well. Now let's go back. Find it. What's tall that thing is, man? Time to cut you down. Let's get some with us. You can see it's at somewhere, but So the only thing it's cut. Okay. I got it. Yeah, opinion. Yeah. How did they get off here? Oh, here's what I cut. Here. I'm gonna cut right there. There, so I gotta cut it right there. Look at this. Now I gotta cut it. So it worked. It almost fell on me. Okay. Woo! Okay. What about that? Yeah, I'm gonna cut it off right there. Because I don't mess having a bit. It's enough, okay. My arm is now kind of like bleeding. There. Okay. So I did it. Was it worth it? Oh heck, I mean, look at this thing I have. Look at this thing I now have, man. Look at that. But plus I got this and this cut, which are stinging like there is no tomorrow right now, man. Ugh. It feels like bees to stung me, man. Okay, I think maybe if I 12 different beehives up there. Look at that. But I always know that now. That tree's covered in beehives. Look how big that beehive is. Oh my god. 90 hours that's a beehive, man. That's absurdly big. I wonder giant beehives on here. I mean, look at that thing. Oh my god, man. Giant one. There it is. Dude, these are big. Just by that, how I got that today. Basically, I see a kind of like piece of bamboo out there, and I proceeded to lean on it. Not a good idea. So you keep leaning on it, and I kept trying to get to break. That eventually, it did. Not expected though. It proceeded to fall. And since I was leaning on it, I fell with it and went and banged myself against the ground, getting these 2 cuts. Yeah, don't lean on something and try to cut down. I definitely learned that today. But I've got the giant piece of bamboo definitely, so that's good. It's got souvenirs from this whole entire place anyway. I also find a random weird walking rock. Kind of rock person. Fuck it. Right here. Yeah, honestly, I don't. Wait, no. I don't know how to use hand saw much. I could tell because someone's got hurt today. But yeah, you guys go guys. Get primary time to do this. Get burned. Try to do this, man. Everyone's here tomorrow. So there.